And we talked about the side effects of opioid analgesics with respect to experience of pleasure. And established that the site of action was in the ventral tegmental area. That's probably important because in the ventral tegmental area there are short axon neurons with opioid receptors that synapse on dopaminergic neurons in the ventral tegmental area, which project their dopamine axons way up in the forebrain, including to the nucleus. But that when we talk about drug reward and drug dependence, those are two different things. That if we're talking about drug reward, at least in the case of opioid analgesics, we're talking about side of action from morphine and neurons in the tegmental area. But with respect to the establishment of physical dependence, the side of action for morphine would be in the central brain. Different systems for physical dependence and for drug reward. And we appreciate that there's a difference between being physically dependent on a drug and being addicted to a drug. Because you can be physically dependent on a drug and not addicted to it. Or addicted to it and not physically dependent. There's two different things. I think people would probably use those as interchangeable. But I'll use them. But in a very specific sense. We say that, and this is what just about every expert would agree on, that individuals are addicted to a drug if at least three conditions apply. And so, Joshua, since you're in my mind now because you asked about it, what are those three conditions? A lot of what? What if you don't have money? Well, let's be a little more formal than that. Let's talk about stopping drugs. Okay? People who are addicted have difficulty stopping or limiting drug use. And related to that, they spend a lot of time, how should I say it? Spend time, effort in drug seeking. Even when the drug is not available. Means you really want the drug, and you're looking for it, even though the chance of finding it may be very, very, very small. So that would be one thing. And Joshua, what would be another thing?
That you continue to take it, even experience like bad side effects.
Well, I'm going to put that number 3, just for whim. What would be number 2? What's that? Well, let's fill that hole in. How about excessive expenditure of effort to procure the drug? Did you buy that? Joshua? That'd be okay? And then the third one, continued drug use, even when there are negative consequences. Let's just say these are the criteria for drug addiction. 3. Got it? 1, 2, 3 criteria. And there's absolutely no doubt that people can become addicted to morphine. They can become addicted to cocaine, just as examples. But that's humans. What about rats? We know that rats become physically dependent upon certain drugs. Morphine would be a good example we talked about last time. But do rats become addicted in the same way? I mean, can we find ways? Can we satisfy the same criteria? Can we produce animals that are addicted in the same way, that satisfy the same criteria as for humans? I'm going to talk about one experiment today. Only one experiment today. We finished that experiment. We're done today. It's a very complicated experiment. Maybe the most complicated experiment I'll talk about in this class, but so worth it. And one of the reasons I like talking about this experiment is I get to draw a picture. So here's a picture of the apparatus. I'm going to try to explode it in 3 dimensions here. That's the apparatus that the rat is in. It's a box. And I'm going to draw in 3 dimensions here. I'm going to draw 3 sides of the box. Here's the rat. And what's in the box? Let's first of all, there's a grid floor. Through which shock can be administered. And over here, there's a hole in the box. And the rat could poke its nose in the hole. And over on the opposite side of the box, there's another hole. Let's call these nose poke holes. Nose poke hole. Nose poke hole. And above this nose poke hole is a white light. And just to one side of that nose poke hole is a green light. And then over on the opposite side of the box is a blue light. And the rats are fitted with a catheter that goes down into the jugular vein. An intravenous catheter. For, you guessed it, drug administration. The drug here is cocaine. So here's the deal. The rat gets placed in the box. And if the blue light is on, that means